The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Remove the rubber shelf by pulling upwards. Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or a flathead screwdriver. Use a 7mm socket and remove the two screws securing the glove box assembly. Pull to remove the upper panel carefully as to not damage the connected wires. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1251 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the upper panel. Reinstall the screws. Use a 7mm socket Reinstall the rubber shelf by aligning the tabs with their catch and then pressing to lock them into place. Close the glove box. Reinstall the clips.